review on the newest Battlepass kits. I'm gonna be doing the level 50 Battlepass, the first one, the most expensive, the level 50 Battlepass. Let's see how it is. It might be bad, might be good. I don't really know. Just gonna set creative real quick. Oh, you get these dashes. What did they do? Oh, let me see. That's okay. So that's it. One. Then from killing someone. So you can do that. Like that. Okay. And then, oh, and then oh, that's new. And then this is the kill effect I'm using right now. That's one of them. Okay, I'm gonna go back to lobby. I'm gonna show the other kits now. So that was the level 50 Battle Pass one. And then how much? Okay, that one is next. I'm only gonna be spamming this until it starts. Okay, there we go. Is that how you make it start faster? If you just spam it, bro? Because it usually takes like 20 million years for it to start. So, okay. I'm gonna be green. You are gonna be red. Slash. R. What am I supposed to do right now? Alright, so I need. Oh, that's cool! I think I'm gonna be using this. Bro, did you see that? Bro, that's like. Bro, that's Flora from last season. Bro, you can really come on upgrade a battle. Let's do that one. Then you. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. And then. This kit is actually broken. Oh my gosh! That was just kill you! This is broken. Bro! It is wrecking you! Bro, this is the brokenest card. You on half health and I just one-shot you. You literally, after they kill you like this, you can't get away. On, you're gonna be on full health, and let's see. Can it just kill you? Oh my gosh! That did like, you're on probably like 25 health. Okay, that's just broken. That's a broken kit. Come and look at this, bro. I can, and it's heat seeking. I can just do this. Bro, this is awesome. It's not even a long cooldown. That is so much. That's just too broken. That's too broken. Now, I can buy a wooden sword. But if I hit you once, you're gonna just burn. Oh my gosh, that is the most broken thing I've ever seen, bro, in this game. Oh my gosh, I can't get over how fun this is. You can just hit them, and they're dead. Just like that. Wow, what would happen like if you get let's do emerald sword. Okay, now. Okay, oh, that. I'm gonna max level this. Oh my gosh, you can buy emerald swords now. Bro, that's the most obvious kit ever. Oh my gosh, bro. That just wrecked him. So it's one last kit, and the one reason why I think this is like the worst kit ever is because literally it might be good a little bit, I just haven't like figured it out, but like right now I don't see how it's good. Okay, there you go, like infinite iron. I'm lagging. And then okay, that, and my thing. Oh my gosh, I'm like, boy, if that teleported me out of there. So this is what it is, pretty much. So they can't see the bridge, and pretty much invisible. Yeah, so that's it. I don't want to really have to spend time with this kit. I really like it. So, yeah. I can't. Yeah. Okay, this is the bubbles kill effect. It's literally just bubbles. The same thing to stars, but it's just stars. Yeah, so guys, like and subscribe. Bye.